Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we're back here once again with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my two setups here that I took, one during London session and one during New York session. And the date is going to be Tuesday, October 11th, 2022. So let's go ahead and dive right into the first setup. So right here, guys, as you can see on the screen here, obviously I was in this setup. This was a EU long during the London session. This was a very nice A+ planned out setup here, and I'm very proud of myself for the way I read price and took advantage of this market. So right here, guys, during London, I was basically waiting for price to show bullish displacement. Why would I not look for that? What are we at? Where are we at right here? Let me I don't want to use the replay tool. I'm just going to do it like this. We were in a discount, right, when London opened up, which is 2 a.m. So right here, we started off in a discount. We was below the opening price, so that was another confluence here. I was waiting for some bullish institutional order flow to step into the market. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So right here in the 5-minute time frame, this is what made me enter this setup here, guys. As you guys can see here, we had a nice stop run here, taking out sell side liquidity here. And after we had this stop run, what did we do? We had a stop run and we had a breaker structure, taking out what? We took out this high here. After we took out this immediate term high here, that's going to cause a shift in market structure. So what I did was, after I seen this here, after we took out this high here, I came back to my 15-minute and I literally just waited for price to come back down inside of a fair value gap or a order block entry. And what did price come down back inside? So like I say, guys, we had a stop run displacement here, and obviously it's going to look way better on the 15-minute time frame here. We took out what? This short-term high here. So after we take out this short-term high here, it's going to cause a break in market structure. Price came back down where? Inside of this fair value gap, or you can use this last down close kind of as an order block, but I use it as a 5-minute fair value gap. Taking my entry here, and I took profits around here. Now I'm going to be honest and truthful with you guys. As price ran up here around these levels here, I basically closed out half of my position. Then I left like a very small runner to go up for 34 pips. So in reality, I caught around about 26 pips because I really closed out half of my setup right here. But obviously, I wanted to see buy side liquidity taken right here off this high, and we did. But it was for a very small position. So that was my EU setup here during London, guys. So once again, quick summary: we had a stop run. We was in a discount. Here we had a stop run, break of market structure. Why? We took out this short-term high here, took it out, caused a break of market structure. If we are going to go bearish, we should not be taking out these short-term highs and immediate-term highs here. Price took this out, came back down inside of a PD array here. I use it as a fair value gap. Price attacks higher. So very nice EU London session long. Now let's go to my next setup here that I took on SPX. As you guys can see here on the screen, screenshot right here that I took this setup. So SPX right here, US 500, I used this. Now this setup here, guys, it took a lot of patience for me here on this setup here. So I'm very proud of myself once again on this setup also. And once again, guys, I didn't hold this setup for all of this here. I'm going to be transparent. I did not hold all the way up for 500 points. I got around about 200 points and I closed out, right? Let's go ahead and go over why. So why did I take this entry? We'll maybe get into this this setup. Right here, guys, what do we have? At 8:30, we had a nice drop down here. I wasn't digging this. Why? Because we didn't really have an up close candle, or we didn't really have the correct market structure here. We just literally tapped here and went straight down. I knew that price was probably going to rebalance this move here because a lot of sellers are in the market and they're just profiting. So a lot of people are just profiting right here after 8:30 off the indices. Price drops down here. I was not digging that. I was waiting for price to show some breaker structure or take out a short-term high. So what do we have here? Right? So let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So right here in the 5-minute time frame, very nice. Okay, so what do we have right here? What is this right here? So after we had an imbalance here, they got rebalanced. So after price rebalances right here, if we are bearish, price should not come up and take out these short-term high and the immediate term high here. So price came up and took out this short-term high. After price took out the short-term high, remember, I'm already expecting bullish pressure to come into the market. So after price took out the short-term high here, I waited for price to come back down inside of a fair value gap. Where's the fair value gap? Right here. Let's delete this this long position here. We had a fair value gap printed right here at 35.88. I took a long entry right here, and my stop loss went right below here, right below this short-term low here. It's no reason for price to come back down here. If we are going to go bullish, it's no reason for price to come down and take out this short-term low that got rebalanced here. if we are going to go bullish. So that was my narrative the whole time, and that's made this a nice A+ setup. Very nice, easy setup to read here, guys. So like I said, once again, we had a breaker market structure here, taking out this short-term high here. Price came back down to a PD array, which I'm going to use in my fair value gap here. I take a long here. Stop loss goes right below here. Right here. Stop loss goes right there for about 80 to 60 points, depending on which entry you took. And then obviously price runs up here to take out buy side liquidity. Did I catch this? No, guys, I did not catch this. I should have, but I had to be somewhere to get my hair cut. So I ended up cutting this trade short around about 200 points was all I was looking for. So right here, boom. So the moment we got 200 points, I went ahead and closed this setup out, and I took a lot of my position off and left like a 0.1 lot to just run and see how far we can go. So yeah, guys, that was my day-to-day, guys. Very nice setups here that I took today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, quick summary on XPX. We had a breaking market structure taking out a short-term high. Here we had an imbalance. Here they got rebalanced. If we are bearish, we do not take out these. We leave these to go. So if the price takes this out, it's going to confirm a break in market structure, and we literally wait for price to come back down to a nice premium, not a premium, but a nice PD array here, fat value gap on a 5-minute time frame, and then we rally up. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, guys, continue to keep trading safely, and I will continue to keep bringing you guys more and more content and being consistent. And thank you guys for all the support.